These Hollywood actresses aren't just stars. They're global icons who defined beauty for entire generations. From the 90s to today, millions around the world have been captivated by their charm, talent, and stunning looks.
Oh, doggy!
Let's go someplace quiet so we can talk.
But what happens when beauty like that gets passed down? Well, their sons are living proof that incredible genes run in the family. We're talking tall, handsome, and absolutely stunning young men who inherited every bit of their mother's legendary looks. Some of them even look like twins.
Stare down the lens. Do we?
Yeah, we look the same. Mini-me.
Welcome to Famous Faces. Today, we're counting down 35 Hollywood beauties at their prime and the incredibly handsome sons who inherited it all. You're going to want to see this until the very end. Let's get into it. The dream girl of the 90s, Pamela Anderson. Her son, Dylan. He clearly inherited her charm and striking looks. Runway royalty, Stephanie Seymour. Peter inherited those supermodel genes and refined elegance. Oscar-nominated Susan Sarandon, a true Hollywood powerhouse. Miles inherited his mother's sophisticated elegance and talent. The ultimate 90s bombshell, Sharon Stone. Pure icon status. Her son Roan has her piercing gaze and striking bone structure. Supermodel Cindy Crawford. That iconic beauty mark defined a generation. Presley inherited his mother's gorgeous genes and model looks. Hollywood royalty, Robin Wright. Timeless elegance personified. Harper is practically her spitting image, undeniably handsome. Oscar winner Laura Dern. Talent and beauty combined. Her son Ellery inherited her expressive eyes and artistic grace. Rita Wilson. Elegant, talented, unforgettable Hollywood staple. Chet has his mom's warm personality and natural charisma. Friends Lisa Kudrow. She captured hearts with her quirky charm. Julian inherited his mother's warm smile and comedic energy. Helena Christensen, 90s supermodel perfection. Her son Mingus has her striking Nordic features and cool vibe. Gwyneth Paltrow, Oscar winner with timeless sophistication. Her son Moses inherited her elegant features and refined taste. Catherine Zeta-Jones, Welsh beauty queen of Hollywood. Her son Dylan is her handsome counterpart, incredibly good-looking. Uma Thurman, tall, striking, and absolutely unforgettable. Her son Levon inherited her height and angular beauty. Naomi Watts, Australian beauty who conquered Hollywood. Her son Sasha carries his mother's natural grace and warmth. Elle Macpherson, absolutely untouchable in her prime. Her son Flynn has her chiseled features and commanding presence. Heidi Klum, supermodel and fashion mogul extraordinaire. Her son Henry is tall, handsome, and charming just like Mom. Elizabeth Hurley, the epitome of 90s glamour and sensuality. Her son Damian is literally her clone. The resemblance is stunning. Jerry Hall, the 70s and 80s beauty icon. James has his mother's classic features and timeless appeal. Sofia Vergara, a bombshell with brains and undeniable beauty. Her son Manolo inherited her dark charm and confident swagger. Reese Witherspoon, America's sweetheart with that iconic smile. Deacon has his mother's million-dollar smile and charm. Jennifer Connelly, sophisticated talent and breathtaking beauty. Her son Stellan inherited her fine features and artistic soul. Kate Hudson, pure sunshine with infectious energy and charm. Her son Ryder has his mother's adventurous spirit and smile. Tilda Swinton, avant-garde beauty icon, truly unforgettable. Her son inherited her unique and otherworldly features. Vanessa Paradis, French beauty with mysterious allure. Her son Jack inherited his mother's artistic charm and looks. Britney Spears, the pop princess of the 2000s phenomenon. Her son Jaden grew up handsome with Britney's beautiful eyes. Kate Winslet, Oscar-winning perfection and incredible depth. Her son Joe inherited his mother's warm eyes and charm. Liv Tyler, ethereal beauty with an edge and cool elegance. Her son Milo is practically his mother's spitting image. Gillian Anderson, the unforgettable X-Files legend. Her son Oscar has her striking features and sharp intellect. Gina Davis, tall, talented, and stunningly gorgeous actress. Her son Kian inherited his mother's impressive height and looks. Mariska Hargitay, powerful beauty and true inspiration. Her son August has his mother's warm personality and charm. Téa Leoni, comedic genius with undeniable charm and wit. Her son Kid inherited his mother's natural charisma. Kelly Ripa, morning TV darling with infectious energy. Her son Michael is a spitting image of his gorgeous mother. Julie Bowen, Modern Family's warmth, grace, and beauty. Her son Oliver has his mother's charming smile and elegance. Maria Shriver, First Lady of Elegance and Intelligence. Her son Patrick is an absolute heartthrob and Hollywood charmer. All right, that was 35 Hollywood beauties and their handsome sons. If you love celebrity lookalikes, hit like, subscribe to Famous Faces, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next one.